Ayan. Ano? Nawawala pa yung anak namin.
Antos kami. You need to look for
Wait lang. Kasi meron ditong prediction. Baka nandito na yung totoong mangyayari sa love life mo.
Ayan o, ayan ako.
Year of the Rabbit. Ah, kaya pala.
Kaya pala, Cuneo.
Kaya lagi tayong pagod. Hilig mong maghampa-hampa. Prediction, totoo kaya to? Try natin. Luck! Read it, come on! Love! Read the love! Rabbits! Read it! Rabbits, what?
It's
Love.
Love, it's me.
Come on!
face challenges in romantic relationships. Approaching.
Don't move, they are in TikTok. Louder.
Potential.
Potential. Give it a life. Connections. Cautiously. Establishing clear communication.
Real communication.
Come on, report it.
And
Prioritizing.
prioritizing partner needs
Partner needs
feelings
and
are
feelings.
Crucial.
Crucial. Very important. That's the meaning. For maintaining a healthy relationship. Ano yun siya? Ha? Ano yun, kuya? Kayong pagkain? Parang mas malaking katawan mo sa akin. Ako pengi. Mas gutom yata ako.
Mas gutom ka ba?
Mas mukha kong gutom.
Ito naman yung salak. Wow.
Sa lock, ang sabi. Where's the kid?
Ano, year of the ano?
Hindi ka nga. Huwag mo ko ni-year.
Si Arthur's Monkey. Si Arthur's Monkey, year of the
Ba't mo
monkey.
nasabi?
2016 eh.
Ah.
Diba?
Wala pang prediction yun. Bata-bata pa yun.
Kaya,
Where is the kid?
nasa kotse.
You want a new taxi?
Yung
Yun
taxi.
lang. Walang year. January. Walang. Ay, yun o. Ox, rat. Ah, rabbit yun na yun. Rat. We're not rat. We are rabbit.
Kaya pala rin, alam ko na kung bakit talaga eh. Kaya laging ubos ang katas.
Oy, very lucky yung rabbits, ha? And then one of the super clean area.
Mayat maya.
Yeah.
Arthos.
I don't like a taxi with a ribbon.
Arthos.
I don't like a taxi with a big ribbon. Hindi, bulag kasi ako. Hindi naman ako mapang mata, pero tingin ko kasi lahat pag puti, pag taxi.
Hindi naman ako mapangmata.
Talaga naman ano yung kulay ng taxi sinasakyan mo araw-araw?
White.
Ano yun? Taxi yan. Taxi ba yun? Pan-taxi yun.
Hindi, gagi. Camry yung nabago.
So,
So,
wala na, yun ang prediction. Wala mo totoo.
may face mo daw?
Challenges.
Challenges.
If you will not attend to your partner's needs. And it's very crucial. You attend to my needs. And me to you. I attend to your needs. That's why I'm always touching your junior. Yun lang pala yung needs ko din.
Yun lang yun, Lids.
Ay! It's not needs. It's ano.
It's ano, necessity.
Necessity. Necessity.
Kaya, bakit necessity ng rabbit ko? Oo. Kaya sila mabilis lumami. Sila lang yung animal na hindi magiging endangered species.
Wait. It's not necessity. I think it's heaven.
Yeah, it's heaven.
Isa ka pa, demonyo.
Rabbit nga parehas. Parehas ang pananaw.
Ngayon, pero sa lahat nga nung naka-ano ko, partner or naka-relationship, wala pa akong naka-ano na same year.
Same year na.
Ay,
Tama
ano
ata,
pala?
oo.
This year, puro same year. Ay, after. Yeah.
Hindi,
Parang ang dami kasi. Nalilito. Matawag. Hindi ko lang. May ano lang ako, may amnesia. Wala ako sa vitamins sa brain. Where's my son?
Oh, this is ano?
Extension.
Extension.
Yeah, we're here in the Gateway Mall. We just finished or done our dinner.
Ano sa Phantom Sky View daw?
We ate chicken. Them pala, not me. I ate their chicken. And pasta.
chicken.
I'm always eating their meal because I'm on a diet. So I am buraot.
Pura.
Ay, putang haba nito. Ayoko na, back out. Back out ang inang haba. No.
Yan. Uy, space fish. So, boy pa pala yan. Nangipis yan.
What's that? Halatang batang 90s ka. Ay mo, nagiging macho ka daw.
Yan yung ano natin, yung...
Nagiging macho ka daw.
Ha? Hindi?
Parang ang macho.
God.
Ang macho mo ba?
Macho.
Ganyan ka lang laki. Mukhang ko mo. Tingnan mo yung tsura mo.
Komang.
Ipagpatuloy mo yung pagiging komang mo. Parang mukha kang macho.
O, dali. Tawag dyan. Ang tawag dyan.
Yung parang,
Tiis ganda.
tiis ganda ba yun? Parang kang na, hindi, parang kang na,
Ang nakomang.
kumatos. Hindi kumatos. Parang kang apla. Leptic. I'm not bashing those people.
Oo.
I wanna help them
Just wanna clear things
and
out.
boost them. It's not kapansanan. It's just another pagsubok.
Dami na pala.
It's pagsubok. Soon, you will become better and best, okay? For those who's suffering from Kiko's problem.
From Kiko's sickness.
From Kiko's normalization.
Kiko's disability.
But it's not disability, you're normal. But you are, experiencing that.
Yeah.
So it's,
You're normal. Pero you're experiencing. Gago.
so it's, it's just a natural disaster that you cannot accept. It's just a natural, sway. Natural.
Para mo sinabing natural na.
It's just a natural disaster nga that you can accept if you just accept and believe you can do it.
Dream, believe. Oh, ito na naman yung
Dito pala nagpapakamatay tayo.
Dami pala dito.
Kabubuhan natin Nagsumiksik
Yun kasi
kami
yung-
dun sa food court.
yun
Kasi
kasi yung lumang
feeling
ano.
namin maubusan na kami ng pagkain. Ba't ganun pag gutom ka? Parang feeling mo maubusan ka ng pagkain pag dumaan ka sa food court.
Oo.
Gusto ko yan. Lahat gusto mo. Where's my son? Are you good?